Hi everybody, this is Zakir. I will show you how to open mobile laptop camera using JavaScript. Okay, so I will start from here. I have this script in my notepad. I'll put the same script in the comment section so that you can copy it from there. Inside body section, we will create one video tag and one canvas. And after this, what we will do, we will initialize, we'll get the webcam and canvas. Then now I am initializing the camera. Then it will start the webcam. So now I'm going to save this as HTML because this is a normal JavaScript and HTML. Saved it. If you see here what we are doing inside this code, this is this is the script which is working with the camera. There are multiple methods. Okay. Anyway, I will copy this code into the comment section. So this just you need to copy paste. After this, what we did, only 4 to 5 lines of code. Here, if you will see here, we created two element, one video tag, another one canvas tag. And then this is to get that element and then initializing the webcam and it will start. So if you will see here, your script, if you can see only these lines is here and these two lines. And this is the above script. You can create one file. For this script, you can create one file and you can copy that into that file and you can put access this. But I put it here too. show you what exactly is happening. Now I will try to open this camera. So this is my code, okay? 1 2 3. This will ask, because this is going to use your hardware, so it will ask your permission whether you are allowing it or not. If you will block, it will not allow, but if you will allow, then it will start the camera. Yes, that's it. Now you can see. Hmm. Ah, so this is what it is happening. So now I can access my laptop camera through this script. Thanks for watching my video. If you wish, you can subscribe it. Thank you.